Okay, so for the night, we're going to prepare the Bagnet Sisig. So I have here 1/4 kilo of bagnet. So I cut it into quarters. Okay, let's now heat the oil. So first thing to do, we're going to fry. Here we go. Okay, so frying would make our bagnet much more crispier. So before I'm going to chop this into small chunks. Okay, so after frying, so here we go. So I'll be using a white onion, the chilies. Okay, so it's already golden brown and crispy on the outside. So here it is. So I've chopped the 4 chunks of bagnet, my ingredients. Okay, so I'll be heating a butter. So any kind of butter will do. Okay, just put the chunk or the cut bagnet. Okay, so I'm going to fry it again with the melted butter. So here we go. Okay, I'll be putting out the white onion. So this is just a very simple dish to prepare. Okay, the seasoning. There you have it. So I don't need to measure anymore. So it's based on my preference. So adding the cheese together with the seasoning, the white onion, and I also put some red onions. Okay, to make it more creamier, so I'll be putting some mayonnaise. Alright, so I think this is a 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise for 1/4 kilo chopped bagnet. There you have it. Just continue frying my sisig. So this one I'll be not be using the sisig plate. Okay, so look at it now. So after frying, so here we go. So I'm going to garnish it with the onion, and I'll be needing some soy sauce and a calamansi. So here is my bagnet sisig on a plate. So this is a cup of rice with a fried garlic and my bagnet sisig. Thank you for watching, and I'll be looking forward for some dishes I love to cook at home. Thank you.